Welcome back to Apple Insider. Today we're diving into a smartphone that has been making a lot of noise for offering premium features at a price that feels almost too good to be true. This is the Redmi 15 Pro, a device that aims to deliver a flagship experience without burning a hole in your pocket. If you've been searching for a phone that balances design, performance, and value, then stick around because this review will walk you through everything you need to know. Number 1. Design and build quality. The Redmi 15 Pro makes its first impression with a design that feels refined and premium. It is clear that Redmi has paid close attention to detail this year. The back is sleek, slightly curved for better ergonomics, and finished with a polished texture that resists fingerprints while still looking stylish. The camera module is cleanly integrated without being bulky, which gives the phone a modern, minimalistic aesthetic. Despite being priced in the mid-range category, the materials feel surprisingly high-end, offering the kind of durability and hand feel you'd expect from more expensive competitors. The phone is lightweight but solid, striking the right balance for everyday use. It is also slim enough to slide easily into pockets yet sturdy enough to survive the accidental drops that come with daily life. The Redmi 15 Pro proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to own a phone that looks and feels premium. Number 2. The display. This is where Redmi has really stepped up its game. The Redmi 15 Pro features a large AMOLED panel with rich colors, deep blacks, and excellent brightness. Whether you're streaming videos, scrolling social media, or playing games, the display brings everything to life with vibrancy and sharpness. The refresh rate is smooth, making animations and transitions feel fluid and enjoyable. Watching movies feels cinematic, and even in outdoor conditions the screen remains visible thanks to its impressive peak brightness. The thin bezels give you a more immersive experience, and the overall quality of this panel feels like it belongs on a phone double the price. It's the kind of display that makes you want to use your phone more often just because it looks so good. Number 3. Performance. The Redmi 15 Pro is powered by a processor that is not just powerful but also efficient. Everyday tasks like messaging, browsing, and multitasking happen effortlessly. But what really stands out is how the phone handles more demanding tasks like heavy apps and modern games. The graphics performance is strong, and with optimized software support, frame rates remain stable even in longer gaming sessions. The device stays cooler than expected, which means you won't face major heating issues when pushing it to the limit. Switching between apps is smooth, and productivity-focused users will appreciate how responsive everything feels. For its price range, the Redmi 15 Pro is a performance powerhouse that doesn't compromise under pressure. Number 4. The camera. The Redmi 15 Pro comes with a multi-lens setup that includes a high-resolution primary sensor capable of capturing stunning photos in both daylight and low light. Pictures have sharp detail, accurate colors, and a good dynamic range. Low-light photography is surprisingly solid, with the night mode reducing noise and preserving clarity without washing out the shot. The ultra-wide camera expands your perspective, while the macro lens allows for creative close-ups. Portrait shots stand out with natural background blur and excellent subject separation. On the video front, the phone supports high-quality recording with good stabilization, making it a reliable option for casual content creators. Selfie lovers will also find the front camera impressive, delivering bright and detailed images that are perfect for social media. Redmi has definitely invested in making this phone's camera a highlight feature, and it delivers on all fronts. Number 5. Battery life. A powerful phone is only as good as the battery behind it, and the Redmi 15 Pro shines here as well. With a large capacity battery, it easily lasts through a full day of heavy use and can stretch even further with moderate usage. From streaming videos to browsing the web and playing games, the phone manages to hold up impressively without forcing you to hunt for a charger halfway through the day. What makes it even better is the fast charging technology, which tops up the battery quickly and minimizes downtime. Just a short charge can give you enough juice to keep going, which is a huge plus in our busy lives. Battery life is one of those features that users don't always notice until it lets them down. But with the Redmi 15 Pro, you can rest assured that endurance won't be a problem. Number 6. Software and features. The Redmi 15 Pro runs on the latest version of MIUI, which is layered on top of Android. Over the years, MIUI has matured into a polished and feature-rich interface that gives users a lot of customization options. From themes and gestures to smart features like floating windows and split-screen multitasking, the software experience feels versatile and modern. The system is optimized to keep performance smooth, and updates are rolled out regularly to keep things fresh and secure. Redmi has also included practical additions like enhanced privacy settings, game optimization tools, and battery-saving modes. All these features combine to give you a smartphone experience that feels complete and adaptable to your needs. Number 7. Value for money. This is perhaps the strongest point of the Redmi 15 Pro. When you consider its design, display, performance, camera quality, and battery life, it is astonishing how much value you get for the price. Many of the features we just discussed are usually reserved for premium flagship devices that cost significantly more. Yet here, Redmi manages to pack them into a phone that is far more affordable. This makes the Redmi 15 Pro one of the best deals currently on the market. For students, professionals, and anyone looking for a reliable phone without overspending, it hits the sweet spot between cost and capability. Now let's wrap this up with a clear conclusion. The Redmi 15 Pro is proof that the smartphone industry is evolving in a way that benefits consumers more than ever before. It offers a design that feels premium, a display that competes with flagships, performance that handles everything you throw at it, a camera system capable of stunning photography, long-lasting battery life, software packed with useful features, and all of this at a price that is genuinely hard to believe. This phone doesn't just check the boxes, it delivers in areas that truly matter for everyday users. Of course, there will always be phones with slightly better cameras, faster processors, or more refined designs, but they come at double or even triple the cost. What Redmi has done with the 15 Pro is create a balanced smartphone that brings flagship-level experiences within reach of the average consumer. If you want a device that doesn't compromise on the essentials and gives you more value than you pay for, the Redmi 15 Pro is one of the smartest choices you can make right now. This was our detailed review of the Redmi 15 Pro here on Apple Insider. If you enjoyed this breakdown and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more reviews, comparisons, and tech insights. Until next time, stay tuned and stay informed.